8 a.m. February 14th. Got light snow. It's 20 after 12. It's 4 o'clock. Sunday.
That's a lot of snow. Holy cow. I shouldn't even be out here. But yeah, I'd say that's a big snowdrift. That's going to take a while. Yeah, everything, ever there's a ledge, there's a ton of snow. Got a little on that lip right there in the corner of the greenhouse. It's not too bad. This sun coming up ought to help. But it's thick. Right now it's 11 below zero. And we have a lull between storms. My wife is going to kick my butt for being out here. My breathing doesn't work so well in this cold. But I figured a couple of minutes. I came out to turn on my heater in the garage. But I can tell you that it's so cold, it's not going to work. I know, most of the country's suffering from the same stuff. Holy smokes, that's steep right here. That's over a foot right there. Alright, I gotta go in. Nose is freezing. Holy smolies. Oh yeah, we have a snowdrift over there up against the house. You can see it as opposed to the wall. Holy smokes, I gotta go in.
It feels like minus 13, minus 15. I've got to feed the chickens and the ducks. They're not going out today. My biggest problem is the ducks are going to need water. So I've had to improvise and bring their water inside. I know I might have a big mess, but they need the water and it's going to freeze quickly. I've layered it with a bag underneath and some pine shavings. And I also have a tube of water, which is less messy, but I have chickens and ducks in here. There's fermented feed, the last of my fermented feed. I have dry feed everywhere, along with scratch grains. And I've added more of the pine shavings in here. I'm gonna check them probably 2 or 3 hours, God willing. It's really cold out, and I've already taken care of the goats. I've got a couple that are shivering, but there's not much more I can do for the goats. The boys are fine. Rain is fine. Everybody looks good. I'll be taking video of outside, check on the roofs and all that. We didn't get a whole lot of snow, but it's dry snow. I'm starting to get cold myself, so I'm going to go in. Right now I'm giving the goats a snack of peanuts and checking their water. There's Rain, who's having some issues. She's standing up. I'm going to change their water. They all have plenty of hay. I'm going to check the boys. And then I'm going to go out to the ducks and the chickens. Yeah, they like peanuts. It's still snowing. In the coop, I collected one egg, and it's frozen, and it broke. It's that cold, so we may not get any eggs in the next few days. They might be frozen, solid.
Okay, now look at the icicles on this side. I'm hoping you can see this. I can't. The sun is in my eyes, believe it or not. Everything's got an overload of snow. That is the weirdest looking thing. That is just so bizarre from the blowings. I can tell you right now, I mean, I just went in the greenhouse and it's 32 in there. This is crazy. It's a big old snow shovel. And there you go. That's some deep snow. Holy cow. But that sun should help out some. Should start knocking that stuff off the roof there. What I need to do is go get that shit off of the solar panel out there. So that's what I'm doing next.